Okay, I want to cover this video from North Georgia Audit. That's North Georgia Audit, because a lot of people are giving this guy heat for what he did to the cop. He was driving along and he gave him the middle finger. And what I want to talk about is the freedom of speech. This is super important, guys. Living your life without being offended is not a right. Freedom of speech is a right. If freedom of speech doesn't include the freedom to offend, then there is no freedom of speech. And I find it ironic that people who actually took an oath to protect and defend your freedom of speech and religion and freedom of the press and right to keep and bear arms and your right to be secure in your person's houses, papers, and effects, those people who took that oath are the very ones who have a profession in which they violate that oath every single day, multiple times a day. So what I want to do is I want to highlight this guy's video, and I want to first say that this guy who's going to pull him over, this guy with the costume on, comes from the Commerce, Georgia Police Department. I will leave the Facebook page link in the description for you if you want to air your grievance. It looks like some people are airing their grievances because they're posting this video right here. Here's an example right here of them posting that video. But I want to talk about this because if you don't have the right to flip somebody off without an armed man lighting you up from behind and forcing you over, because it is forcing you over. It's always, anytime you're dealing with cops, it's the implied threat of force. So if you can't exercise your freedom of speech on American soil without a cop pulling you over specifically because you shot the bird, then we don't live in the land of the free, home of the brave. Listen to this. The cop will specify exactly why he pulled him over. I am going to stop this video and I am going to make comments because I really think this is important.
How you doing today, sir?
All right.
You pulled over from the Commerce Police Department. You have your driver's license on you, please?
What'd you stop me for?
All right, I stopped you because when you drove by me back there, you stuck your middle finger up the whole time you was driving by me. You think I didn't see you?
Yeah.
I stopped you for throwing your middle finger up. That is specific. I'm going to play it again because I had to rewind this. I was like, he did not just admit that he pulled a guy over, not for a traffic violation, not because his brake lights were out, not because he was speeding. He pulled him over specifically because he shot the bird.
What'd you stop me for?
All right, I stopped you because when you drove by me back there, you stuck your middle finger up the whole time you was driving by me. You think I didn't see you?
Yeah, I knew you seen me.
What was that for?
I mean, is it against the law? Is there a law
It
against
is a
that?
form of aggressive driving. You know what the
No,
Georgia
sir, it's
statute
not.
of aggressive driving is?
No, sir. You can't be a complaining party in that.
I can't be a
That's true. The state cannot be a complaining party. The state who victimizes, who specializes in victimizing, whose profession it is to victimize, can't claim to be the victim in any case, in any matter whatsoever. So this guy who's driving this car is right. This cop, though, admitting that the reason he pulled this guy over is because he shot the bird. I pulled you. He might as well have said, I pulled you over because you exercised your freedom of speech while driving. Now he's going to try to convert that freedom of speech into aggressive driving, and he's going to try to convert it into a crime.
No, sir, you
aggressive
can't.
driving? Where's
No.
that written in the statute?
You want to get your supervisor out here?
Supervisor, just to let you know. You don't see
Then
the
I'm gonna need
stripes on my
somebody.
shoulder?
No, I didn't see you. Didn't.
This is who you get. So
Okay.
if you want to tell me what the statute is, go ahead and recite me what the statute is.
I don't need to
Tell me
recite
what
the statute. I need to tell you your job.
No, you don't need to.
I can
I'm
flip you off
asking.
all I want to.
Okay.
You see that right?
You can't prove it negative. You can't recite a statute that's not there. He has to recite the statute of that it's lawful, if you want to say lawful, or it's constitutional to pull somebody over who just made a silent gesture of, hey, this is what I think about you. This is what I think of what you are. And then this guy actually fulfills the prophecy of the meaning of that finger by pulling him over. That's why F the police. That's why happy F the cops day is always out there and always popular. That's why people lost their respect for law enforcement, because the very thing that this guy was flipping off is the very thing that visited him minutes later.
You're driving his vehicle and you're distracted driving by doing that.
I was looking at the road. I can do this all day long, sir.
Okay. So If you want to tell me what
I'll tell you what, I don't have to give you my ID.
You could say, if you could say that shooting a bird is distracted driving, you could say anything is distracted driving. Hey, I saw you drinking that cup of coffee while you were on your way to work. Distracted driving. Hey, I saw you look over your shoulder in the left-hand lane before you merge left. Distracted driving. Hey, I saw you, popping your fingers, popping your knuckles while you were driving. I saw you driving with your knee. Distracted driving. Anything could be distracted driving if throwing up a gesture of disdain and airing your grievance against the government, exercising a constitutionally protected right. This cop does not have the right to be offended, but this man has the right to offend.
Okay,
I don't have to give you my ID because this is an unlawful stop.
It's not an unlawful
100% unlawful stop. I can flip you off all day long. All day long.
So mad. Like, what?
Cohen versus California, City of Houston versus Hill. In City of Houston versus Hill, you can use the most profane cuss words and cuss a cop out, and there's nothing he can do about it because you're exercising your constitutionally protected right that this cop is supposed to be upholding, protecting, and defending.
What did I do to deserve that from you?
All of y'all deserve that.
All of us deserve that?
What did I do? You're doing it right now. What did you do? I knew that you were the kind of person who needed the bird flipped at him because you just turned around and did the very thing for the very reason I did that to you.
Until I know different. Yep.
Like all of us as long?
I was kidnapped and held for ransom for 2.5 years by cops. Until the jury of my peers set me free.
Okay, so what
Okay? Doesn't matter whether you did or not. I will do this all day long if I want to.
Okay. You're not going to
100% right. You want to write me a ticket for it?
I can. I don't
No. Write me. I dare you to write me a ticket. License, insurance, registrations on the back. Write me a ticket, motherfucker.
See, look at the language.
Write me a ticket, motherfucker.
Look at the language. What is he, the morality police? Look at the language you're using. You flipped me off. You hurt my feelings. I'm super offended. I had to pull you. I was so offended that I thought I'd go ahead and use the resources of the state, my patrol car, the gas that the taxpayers use to fill it up, my funny badge and costume, and I thought I'd use my authority and my power to pull you over for doing something that you know full well this cop knows he has the constitutional right to do. You know he does. I can't believe that he's that. Yeah, there's qualified stupidity just like there's qualified immunity, but I don't think this cop is that stupid. I think he knows what he's doing, and he got so offended that he couldn't help himself. He had to drive up, and he had to use the resources of the state, and he had to come with the implied threat of force to give this guy a hard time. Had to do it. Couldn't not do it.
Write me a ticket.
Right.
Write me a ticket.
You changed the whole
I'm
thing
waiting.
by calling me a mother.
Can I go in?
You cannot get out of the car.
Okay,
Don't
let's
get out
go.
of
Get this shit over with.
Now
Freedom of
you're
speech. You
talking-
can't be a complaining party in a disorderly conduct.
I can't be a
You absolutely cannot. I can cuss all day in front of you. There's no kids around. There's nobody else. You cannot be a complaining party in the state of Georgia on disorderly conduct.
Okay,
Go
nobody
check the
said
law.
anything about disorderly conduct.
Well, you said I changed the stop. Write me a ticket.
You did because now
Write
you're
me a
mad
ticket.
and you're calling me a motherfucker for no reason whatsoever.
You stopped me unlawfully. I can flip you off all day long.
Okay,
There it is again.
like I'm saying to you, like I'm trying to educate you if you give me an opportunity.
You're the one who
to
needs
do
an
that.
education, obviously, Sarge.
Okay, so all right, then let me know
Took the words right out of my mouth.
which part I need to educate on so that I can educate myself. So
The-
It's called the First Amendment. RAPS. Ever heard of it, officer? Religion, assembly, petition, press. Oh, and that last one, that golden one, speech. I used speech. You're pulling me over. You're harassing me. You're giving me a hard time. And you're trying to make a constitutionally protected right. You're trying to turn that into a crime.
Anybody can flip you off. This is 100% the First Amendment. As I will sit here and do it with my car running and driving past you as I did. I do it all the time. I do it to state troopers just to see if a motherfucker is going to be stupid enough to stop me for it. So there it is. Write me my fucking ticket and let's get this stop over with. I'm home.
okay.
I got fries here.
Give me 1 second.
My old
I'll be
lady,
right back
thank
with
you.
okay?
Write my ticket.
Okay, so he sits in the car for a while before the cop comes back up. So I'm going to fast forward to this.
All right, sir. So you see, I got a couple of people. It's just for our safety. All right. So look, I'm gonna do as you said. I'm gonna give you the ticket for aggressive driving.
Appreciate you.
I went ahead and got
What he's saying is, I got a couple people that's just for my safety. He called for backup because this guy that he pulled over for exercising his First Amendment right seemed to have threatened him so much that he needed other men with guns to come and give him a little help.
a case
Corporal,
number.
you don't let him write me a ticket for flipping him
She's my
off?
sergeant.
Cowards. They're cowards.
Sergeant.
Yes.
You're gonna let him write me a ticket for flipping them off?
Aggressive driving, yeah.
Aggressive driving. Okay.
So that's what I was trying to.
It's not aggressive driving. We'll see it in court. I'll
give me
see
a
you in
second
court.
so I can
I
explain it
don't
to
need
you?
a second. Let me sign the shit
Okay.
and let's
All
go.
right.
Let's
So
get
look,
this
man,
shit over with.
This is going to be my copy. I'll put an X right here for you. If you just
10-4.
go ahead and sign right there for
Copy
me.
that.
Aggressive driving. I was reading the comment section. Apparently, what he wrote on the ticket was B.S. BS.
All right. Now, this is not an admission of guilt, like I said.
No shit.
So if you want to go to court, the court date's right here.
Yeah.
The time, date, and address, and everything is right there
Copy
for you.
that.
And on the back right here is a website. If you want to view the ticket or whatever, the phone number for the police department's right there.
No
Okay,
need
if you
that.
have any questions. You'll see on there in the remarks column, I put the actual case number on there. There's a case number on top. The video from our body camera footage will be available. All you have to do is call the police department and talk to them.
need your
Lieutenant
body camera
Patrol will be
footage.
able to help you out,
I don't need
okay?
your body camera footage.
All right.
I flipped you off.
All right.
I'll say it to you, body cam. I flipped them off.
All right. So here's, what is your insurance card and all? All right, man. You have a good evening, all right?
My ID in it? No, you gave it back to me. I got it.
So what this cop did is he deployed the resources of the state. Again, I just want to reiterate this. He deployed the resources of the state paid for by the tax cattle in that area in Commerce, Georgia, so that he could silence the voice of somebody who wanted to speak out and exercise his rights. The right to agree with others is not the problem in any society. It's the right to disagree that's crucial. This guy disagreed with the cop. The cop didn't like it. He used the implied threat of force to come up and threaten the man with a citation. That's monetary terrorism or economic terrorism. And the rest is basically history. So I'm going to leave the Facebook page for the Commerce, Georgia Police Department. That number is 706-335-3200. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description for their Facebook page. You let them know what you think. Maybe give them North Georgia Audits video and this video. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Remember, the price of freedom is now and will always be eternal vigilance, and people are always out there trying to take your freedoms away, namely the Thin Blue Line gang. I will see you in the next video.